What's up, Filipinas? Let's play pickleball with Cody.
Ano man ang iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. What's up, Pilipinas? Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan-saan, kahit na sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas?
I'm Charmaine.
And I'm Noel, I'm just a pickleball enthusiast and happen to be here. And I bought Cody pickleball.
So actually it started back in 2018. So I have gym equipment. I'm selling gym equipments before. And then since nagkaroon ng pickleball, nag-add na kami ng mga pickleball paddle. So right now we're selling a pickleball paddle, which is carbon surface paddle. And then Cody means consistency and discipline, which is very essential when you're playing pickleball and when you're doing some stuff in fitness.
Actually, napadaan lang po ako. But, I tried it and instantly I love this particular brand, Cody Edge Lock 3, kasi maganda siya talaga. So, I guess, it's a Filipino brand with the high standards of quality of the paddle, and it's of course value for money. So I highly endorse this for pickleball players.
Thank you so much.
Try this one. I've been playing pickleball for quite some time, and I finally found a pickleball paddle that suits me. And this is a Cody Edge Lock 3. This is a nice sport actually. It includes, this is a very inclusive sport.
Correct.
Whole family can play it. Like my family, we're all playing. I have 4 kids and they all love pickleball. So it's a recreational game, where you have communities, people to know. Tsaka it entices people to have discipline and consistency, which is incidentally the acronym of Cody, consistency and discipline. So I think it's really part of a good sport, consistency and discipline.
So it's a Filipino brand.
It is
Yes,
a these
it's
are
a Filipino.
And she's the CEO,
And she's the
marketing, and you are?
I'm just a passerby, loving
business
pickleball and
owner.
You're the business owner.
So you can message us on our Facebook account. It's Cody Sports Fitness and Recreation. And we also have IG, Cody.sports.
This is for 995 po. At next, meron kayo 10%.
What's up, Pilipinas? Halina at ibutin ang ating mundo. What's up, Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up, Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up, Pilipinas? Tutok na sa What's up, Pilipinas?